the eastern Himalayas, the Teesta Sub-Basin region is a land of breathtaking beauty and rich biodiversity. Flowing rivers, dense forests, rolling tea gardens, and peaceful mountain villages together create a landscape that feels almost timeless. For decades, this part of North Bengal, including Darjeeling, Kalimpong, and Jalpaiguri, has attracted travelers from across India and around the world. Today, the entire region continues to be celebrated as a paradise for nature lovers. In recent years, tourism in these hills has taken a new direction. Alongside hotels, homestays have become a popular choice for travelers. Instead of crowded destinations, they started exploring offbeat mountain villages.
হোটেলে সেই আন্তরিকতা থাকে না যেটা হোমস্টের মধ্যে আন্তরিকতা থাকে, সুযোগ সুবিধাটা হোমস্টেতে বেশি থাকে।
হোমস্টে বিহেভিয়ার এন্ড অল আমার বেশ ভালো লেগেছে এন্ড এদের ফুডিং সেগুলো খুব মানে ভালো।
Kalimpong district has become one of the centers of this transformation. Villagers are opening their homes to visitors, offering simple rooms, home-cooked local meals, and authentic hospitality.
मेरा होम स्टे का नाम मुखिया होम स्टे है। ये लोकेशन इच्छेगांव है। इधर आने से उसको अपना घर जैसा फील होता है। हाँ, हम लोग ज़्यादा मतलब उन लोगों को मतलब गेस्ट के ट्रीट से नहीं देखता है, हम लोग उसको फैमिली की तरफ से देखता है। दूसरा यहीं पे जो हमने किचन गार्डन करके हमने ये सब्जी वगैरह लगा हुआ है, हम यही उसको खिलाता है।
For travelers, this is more than just accommodation. It is an experience of living the mountain life. Today, nearly 12,000 homestays have been established across Kalimpong. Many of them are run by women, creating new livelihood opportunities within rural communities. Homestay tourism has become an important source of income and empowerment. But with growth came challenges. Some homestay owners trying to compete with hotels began offering services that were difficult to sustain financially. Without proper planning, many struggled to maintain operations.
ऐसे होमस्टे चलाने से सिर्फ होमस्टे का मालिक या ऑनर का ही फ़ायदा नहीं है। एक्चुअली होमस्टे चलाने से होमस्टे में जो अगल बगल का जो दुकान जो है, जो खेतीबाड़ी जो करता है, वो लोग को भी बेनिफिट होगा।
At the same time, environmental concerns began to surface. Climate change is increasingly affecting these fragile mountain ecosystems. Areas once known for bird watching and butterfly diversity are seeing a gradual decline in species. This not only threatens biodiversity but also impacts tourism, the very foundation of these rural livelihoods. To address these challenges, sustainable practices became essential. Under the Rivers Rights Resilience Project, supported by the Swedish International Development Cooperation Agency (SIDA), KUTS International organized training programs for nearly 400 homestay owners across different blocks of Kalimpong. The goal was simple: help communities run environmentally friendly and economically sustainable homestays. Participants learned practical solutions such as using natural resources wisely, adopting renewable energy, harvesting rainwater, reducing plastic use, and creating organic kitchen gardens. These practices help reduce operational costs while protecting the environment. They were also trained in digital promotion. The training also emphasized community-based tourism. By working together, villagers can create shared benefits, from local guides and cultural programs to handicrafts and organic produce. This approach ensures that tourism supports the entire community, not just individual households. An exchange visit added another meaningful dimension. A group of women farmers from Silchar in Assam, skilled in organic farming and seed preservation, visited Kalimpong. They shared knowledge on organic cultivation and distributed traditional seeds.
नमस्ते, मैं सनालिमी देवी, मैं तरेंग एग्रीकल्चर सर्विस ग्रुप का प्रेसिडेंट हूँ। कस इंटरनेशनल की तरफ से हम लोग को इनविटेशन मिला कि हम लोग कलिम्पोंग एक एक्सपोजर विजिट के लिए आ सकते हैं।
In return, they learnt about homestay management, hoping to start similar initiatives in their own region. The exchange created a bridge of learning between communities. The impact is already visible.
You had this excellent workshop with KUTS, and to be very honest with you, I thought that it would be like the same. So I thank the KUTS for the excellent demonstration they've given us, whether through videos or through Yeah.
तो आज का ट्रेनिंग बहुत अच्छा था, कि बहुत सीखने को मिला। हमारा यहाँ नहीं जानता था ये सब।
हमारा कर्स ने हम लोग को ट्रेनिंग दिया हुआ है कि हम लोग जितना हो सके प्लास्टिक यूज़ ना करें, तो जीरो प्लास्टिक यूज़ करने के बारे में हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं, अभी वो लगे हुए हैं।
Several homestays have adopted eco-friendly practices. Tourists are increasingly drawn to these responsible travel options. Local government officials have also appreciated the initiative and encouraged expansion of such training programs.
All the points that is relevant for boosting the tourism sector and the homestay industry has been well elaborated by Kutch, and that will be very helpful for helping the owners in boosting this the industry.
However, challenges remain. Poor road conditions, weak internet connectivity, and inconsistent electricity supply continue to affect rural tourism. Reports and policy recommendations have been submitted to the tourism department, and there is hope that improvements will follow. Despite the obstacles, the journey towards sustainable tourism in Kalimpong is moving forward. Homestays are no longer just places to stay, they are becoming models of environmentally responsible travel and community-led development. When tourism respects nature and supports local communities, everyone benefits. And in the hills of Kalimpong, that future is slowly, beautifully taking shape.